my shoes, tripped acid in the rain. Wore my jacket as a cape and my umbrella as a cane. The richest man rocks the snatchless necklace. Spineless bitches in backless dresses. Wore my feelings on my sleeveless. My weed seedless, my trees leafless. I miss my diagonal grilled cheeses. And back when Mike Jackson was still Jesus. Before I believed in not believing in. Yeah, I inhale, who believed in me not breathing in. Cigarette stained smile all covered in sin. My big homie died young, just turned older than him. I seen it happen, I seen it happen, I see it always. He still be screaming, I see his demons in empty hallways. I tripped to make the fall shorter. Fall quarter was just a tall order. And I'm hungry, I'm just not that thirsty. As of late, all my verses seem not so versy. And all my words just mean controversy. Took the team up off my back like that's not your jersey. Stressing, pulling my hair out, hoping I don't get picked. All this medicine in me, hoping I don't get sick. Making all of this money, hoping I don't get rich. Cause niggas still getting bodied for phones. Sometimes the truth don't rhyme. Sometimes the lies get millions of views. Funerals for little girls, is that appealing to you? From your cubicle, desktop, what a beautiful view. I think love is beautiful too. Building forts from broken dams, what a Hoover could do for future hoopers dead from Ruger, shooting through the empty alley. Could've threw him an alley-oop, helping them do good in school. Damn, that acid burn when it clean, yeah. I still miss being a senior and performing at all those open mic events. Eyes closed, seeing arenas. And I still get jealous of Vic, and Vic still jealous of me. But if you touch my brother, all that anti-violent shit goes out the window along with you and the rest of your team. Smoking cigarettes to look cooler. I only stop by to look through ya. And I'm only getting greedier. And I'm still Mr. U Media. And I still can't find talent. And I'm still choosing classmates that wouldn't fuck. Mom still thinks I should go back to school. And Justin still think I'm good enough. And Mama Jan still don't take her meds. And I still be asking God to show his face. And I still be asking God to show his face. I am a new man. I am sanctified. Oh, I am holy. I have been baptized. I have been born again. I am the white light. Rain, rain, don't go away. Bow, wow, bow, on the mic like it's a dick. The shit, bro. Yeah. What's good, good? And what's good, evil? And what's good, gangsters? And what's good, people? And why God phone die every time that I call on them? If his son had a Twitter, wonder if I would follow him. Swallow them synonyms like cinnamon, cinnabon. Keep all them sentiments down to a minimum. Studious, gluteus, maxim models is sending home. Pics of they genitalia, tallied up 10 of them. I slurp too many painkills down, I'm off a lot. I got a lot of off days, but it ain't often that I'm off the clock. Y'all know what I mean? I got the Chicago blues. We invented rock before the Stones got through. We just aiming back cause the cops shot you. Buck, buck, bang, bang, yelling fuck Fox News. Booyaka, buckle up, motherfuck ops too. Ain't no knuckling up, young, cause it's just not cool. Nice to see you 5 in New Year, little finger Uncle Samuel. Shooting death with weighted dice and hitting stains on birthday candles. I know somebody loves my ass, cause they help me beat my demon's ass. Everybody, somebody's everything. I know you're right. Nobody's nothing. That's right. Everybody, somebody's everything. I know you're right. Nobody's nothing. That's right. Everybody, somebody's everything. That's right. Nobody's nothing. Right? I know you're right. I used to tell hoes I was dark light or off-white, but I'd fight if a nigga said that I talk right. And both my parents was black, but they saw it fit that I talk right. When my drawers hid, but my hard head stayed in the clouds like a lost kite. But gravity had me up in a submission hold, like I'm dancing with the devil with 2 left feet and I'm pigeon-toed. In 2 small point ballet shoes with a missing soul and 2 missing toes. But it's love like you been kissing a mistletoe. New Year, little finger Uncle Samuel, shooting death with weighted dice and hitting stains on birthday candles. I know somebody loves my ass, cause they help me beat my demons ass.
Like Cassius ducking the draft and now the fight is over. The type that love from a distance, not the type that told her. Spent 3 days on the rap, trash it and type it over. With babies on the block, underarms like fighting odors. Coppers and quotas hold your head like 2 pockets tall. Obviously they are on a come up, with better chances tobogganing in the fucking summer. Concoctions for the bad days and a condom for the good ones. All odds against us, we trying to get lucky. Doper than lucky, yo, ain't that happy? That's only a tugging. Like Satan masturbating, shit come hot, but y'all still love me. How far the time of deadbeat? Maybe I'm adopted, that'll explain why all of my shit been so timeless.
Everybody, somebody's everything. Nigga, nobody's nothing. Nigga, everybody, somebody's everything. Nigga, nobody's nothing at all. Wu-Tang. Everybody, somebody's everything. That's right. Nobody's nothing. Nobody's nothing. I know you're right. Nobody. If this was my last shit, it'd have to be mad important. Chain smoking, name dropping, go looking, sound like a prince. Motherfucking, mother, shut your mouth. Still a chain smoking, name dropping, go looking, motherfucking, mother, shut your mouth. Brain broken, Frank Ocean, listen, stay here and satin wood grain, gripping, pink, dripping, mother, shut your mouth. Somebody pray for the guy, oh Lord, I wonder what Michael's on. Son jamming, new and shit, rapping, trapping, tripping, sitting, slipping, gluing, chewing, Vico done. Should've died, yelling, YOLO was a lion, you a lion, wonder why you wanna die so young. You and I look just alike, and I'm afraid that this one right, I might be lesson that I write a song. Lot of niggas wanna go out with a bang, but I ain't tryna go out the door, so I ain't tryna go out the door.